September 30th, year 2018. The time flies is the most common proverb I have ever come to know. Time flies. So, I hope you had the opportunity to read my book, Financial Freedom, a fictional financial plan. And also you had the opportunity, I suppose, to listen to my video series for the tacit knowledge. And the tacit knowledge series was produced to give the boost of your understanding, and most of it actually deals with advisors, how advisors should conduct themselves, financial advisors or investment advisors or financial consultant, whatever they like to call themselves, depending on their role or duty and tasks. So I know many months ago I promised something that I would produce a video or a video series that would allow them to understand the financial planning for the business owners in a broader extent. And the book itself, Financial Freedom, a fictional financial plan, it is very, very detailed when it comes to a small business or mid-sized business or the professionals. Very details, especially for planning a scope, for planning mechanism, how it should be done. So I see, if you had the opportunity, I know the first chapter of the book is available through the Kindle version with Amazon. Pretty much I think it's quite a few, almost like there's half of the chapter or almost the. Now the first chapter of the Financial Freedom, a fictional financial plan, deals with the general financial planning for the average individuals who falls between the tax bracket 1 to 3, maybe 1 to most likely 1 to 2, but if your income is $100,000, you could probably use the same planning. In fact, it is the basic planning for everyone, I think. And then they could, depending on the scenarios, they could adapt the other planning scopes. So let's say, for example, if there's a business owner, they've got an income over 500,000 or more, they would have to certainly structure that, because obviously you don't want to take that in a full amount in a salary basis, right? So you probably have to structure dividend in some sort of dividend property income, which is the dividend, or some other different type of income that will allow you to maximize the take-home pay, or reduces your taxes on the total amount of money that you are paying or something on the gross amount. Now, there's a long reason for me not to producing that video series for the advisors, not to. And I wouldn't get into the detail why, even though I promised that I would produce the video series for the detailed financial planning for the advisors to effectively take on the clients on the mid-sized business or professionals. Now, if you do follow the book, it is very detailed, but you have to come up with your own strategy how you can get those professionals or business owners to retain you. That is something you would have to, it's a value that you are providing or offering your clients or prospects. So depending on your skill set or mindset, your skill can be developed at any time in your lifetime. So today, so I took on a challenge quite some time ago, and by coming from the background of accounting, finance, financial planning, and I also had the opportunity to write the compliance examination with the CSC. And now, anyway, let's not get to the compliance side of it. But what I'm trying to say is that if you do go into any Google or any search engines, you could certainly type my name, which is either you could type the Mijano Raman, and it should probably take you to Amazon or any other sites that actually selling the book. And you may also type MT Mijano Raman as well. That will also take you to the I suppose the other sites as well, where you would have more information, especially for the financial planning tacit knowledge series section at the YouTube. And I'm not sure if someone actually took those video series and made an audiobook or not, but in the case, if you are listening to these videos, if you have produced an audio series book from the financial planning tacit knowledge series, please feel free to contact me so that we can come to an understanding, because obviously I understand in life everything happens in a sense of business, and if you have earned, or if you have managed to produce a book, I greatly understand. And if you kindly communicate with me, perhaps we can come up with some sort of obviously the copyright belongs to myself, which is both for the financial freedom, a fictional financial plan, and the financial planning tacit knowledge series. So, and I'm also in the middle of reorganizing, not reorganizing, but